Bonjour, comment ça va? Hello, I am Baba C. I am a visiting griot from the United States of America, the nation's capital called Washington, D.C. And this evening, I am at UM6P, and we've had a wonderful celebration of storytelling. Earlier today, we had a special workshop where we were teaching students various ways to approach storytelling, about the techniques, about how storytelling is more than just words, whether on paper or spoken, how to use words, how to focus, how to be descriptive, how to exchange ideas, how to switch up ideas, how to take an old story and make it new. We also expose them to different ways for allowing themselves to think outside the box. And by that I mean to think independently, to think differently, to think creatively.